Today is a weird day. So today I turned in my BMW at the car dealership, which felt nice because, well, I'm going to miss the BMW, but I got a new pickup instead, which is pretty freaking sweet. It's a bit more rugged, so I don't have to be as careful. And it was all well and fine. I got money and I got a car. But then I went to fill it up with gasoline in it. And listen to me. Listen to me very careful right now. It's a diesel, and I put gasoline in it. Needless to say, it kind of could have ended pretty bad. So we drive for a while. We don't hear any noises. We're pretty worried about the car. So we pull over. My wife, she's like, "We need to get it towed." And I'm like, "I've gotten this far?" And she's like, "Yeah, but man,
gotta get it towed, man."
So I did what she said. We get the car towed by my friend Eric's, and then we checked it out and we said, we gotta fill it up with diesel, more diesel, and hope that the engine doesn't mess up and leave me without a car. And it worked. It worked pretty fine. So now it's Jesus Christ. Hang on. And now it runs like a baby clock. Smooth. Found this cool place, like in the middle of the woods. It's like a river. Look at that. This is my new car. So my wife is driving the car right now, and she's pretty pleased because she wanted this type of car a lot more than I did, even though I'm pleased. So I got a good feeling about this. It's running nice. It's really running nice. Somehow we've managed to make a mess in this car already. Jesus Christ. But it's cool. It's cool. I need these sheets, man. So pink.
In Sweden, you can't just go buy beer and alcohol in different stores, so we have to go to a place called Systembolaget, and we're going there today because it's almost Midsummer's Eve. It's like next week, and in true Swedish fashion, we need to get our drunk on.
So from the most Swedish place to the second. Biltema. So we're back from our shopping spree, and it meant a few things. So we got a mirror for the hallway, we got a Wunderbaum for my car, we got a phone holder for my car, we got some booze for Midsummer's Eve, we got some food. I think that's about it. But we took the pickup truck and it ran like a really nice car. It purred like a pussy. Is that how you say it? Like a kitty. It purred like a kitty. God damn it. I know you don't want to watch me do the dishes, but I'm hungry and we don't have enough clean stuff to cook. Yeah. Are these common in other countries? We use them for pasta. I don't know. If you want to donate to a good cause, why don't you start with donating for a dishwasher so we don't have to do this by hand because it f***ing sucks. Beautiful. I know what you're thinking. Glenn, where's your cat? Well, I left it at home. And I regret it now. I really do. So I thought I was going to record some vocals today, but the guy that I'm working with, he decided to go out for a couple of drinks with friends yesterday, as he should, it's summer. But because of that, follow me over here. But because of that, he's hungover today and not feeling well at all, so we decided we should take it another day. That means today, so I can't vlog any of that because it's not happening. So now I'm going to take a nice evening with my dogs, my cats and my wife and just enjoy the summer. That's pretty good too. Thanks for watching today's vlog, even though I don't got my cap on and I look terrible. Look at that hairline. It's not flattering. It's not flattering at all. Jesus Christ. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog today. We're going to Ireland tomorrow instead of doing the music video. It's getting postponed because we don't got our vocals done yet, because my friend Gustav is hungover. So we're going to Ireland tomorrow. It's an amazing place. It's really lovely in the summer, also in the spring and in the autumn as well. Not in the winter though. But otherwise it's really, oh my god, look at this over here. Wow. The lake looks amazing. Jesus, So, I'm gonna leave you with that. I'm a little behind on schedule, but I'll try to pick it up. I really will. So, thanks for watching. It means a lot to me. I know I say that a lot, but it really does. And if you want to share it with your friends, that would mean a lot too. Listen to me now. I'm not saying you have to share it with your friends. I really ain't. But if you decide to share it with your friends, that would be really nice. But you don't have to. I'm doing this for me because I get a kick out of it. But if your friends want to watch, I'm not going to stop you, you know? I want to leave you with this lovely view of a lake.
Backside how I smoke